Good morning, everyone. Hope you guys have a great trading day. It looks like today is better than yesterday. Just wanted to give a morning update on my Robinhood portfolio. But before I continue on, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I also just started a Patreon Discord page, guys. If you are interested in chatting with me and 50 other members, come and check us out. I will also be sharing my trades with you guys as well. And if you guys are interested in learning about options, selling options, check out the link down below. I am up 1.70%. Let's take a look at the 1 year. 1 year is up 57%, all-time high 57%. I am trying to bring this account to at least 100,000 by the end of this year. So who wants to join me on this journey? Do you have a lot of time left? So there is still a chance that we can get there. I did make a few trades this morning, so take a look at those. But now we're going to go take a look at the options section. If you don't already know, I like selling options because when we sell options, we are actually receiving a small premium up front. So with cash secure puts, think of it as setting a buy limit. When we set a buy limit, we usually set it below where the stock is trading at, unless we get a very high premium. In that case, we might get a sign, meaning we have to pay at a higher price, but we were able to collect a large enough premium, which reduces our cost basis. I will show you an example of that, but let's take a look at what we have here. We have covered calls. So this is essentially setting a sell limit. We usually set it above where the stock is trading at. The stock right now is at 111 Sundial, and this is a 250 call. I was able to receive $8. And you might think $8 is nothing. Well, $8 can get us a gallon of gas. It can get us a Happy Meal at McDonald's. When you start adding this up every single week, it will make a difference in your account. It might not now, but it will. And I sold 5 contracts because I'm using 500 shares as collateral. So a total of $40. Next, we have Genius cash secure puts. So I want to get Genius when it hits $2. So I sold this cash secure puts. So I do have to put up the collateral. And the collateral is $200. I calculate that by 100 times 2, since there's 100 shares in one contract. And in return, I was able to receive a $22 premium. Again, some people might think that's not a lot of money, but this adds up very quickly. Once you start doing a lot of this, you'll know that small money, consistent money is what we should be aiming for. Consistency. If we want to be able to survive in the stock market, we need to be able to make money consistent. I've been trading for a couple of years now, and in my first year, I lost a great amount of money because I didn't know what I was doing. I was buying out of the money call options. They were expiring worthless, and I was wondering, why am I down so much? And then once you start changing your mindset, start learning about new strategies, then everything changes. And that's what's happening for me. So this was a trade that I made this morning, and it was SOS. This is a cash secure put. I was able to receive a very generous amount. So this got executed today. 632 I got filled. One contract at 75. So instead of paying the $75, I received the $75 credit, a premium. So there's always option buyers and option sellers. The buyers are paying me the premium. So I'd rather be on the option seller side. So this got filled. This is a 6 strike price. And my break even is at 525. Right now, SOS is at 585. And this is a stock that I don't mind owning. Next, we have Sundial cash secure puts. Another one that got filled this morning. It is a $40 credit. I sold 2 of these, and all I had to put up was $300. I know you might think a Sundial price is at 113. Yes, my break even is at 110. So as long as Sundial is above 110, I will be profitable. And this option contract expires on the 1st, so there's plenty of time for Sundial to go up. And then we have BNGO. This one is the one I did yesterday. This one expires April 16th. My break-even price is at 702. I was able to receive a very generous amount of credit, $98. So I received the $98 up front. This might seem very complicated at first, but once you start doing most of these, you will realize how powerful selling options is. People make a living out of selling options. Next, we have JAGX. JAGX is down to 179. I was able to receive a nice credit of $75. My break even is at 175. So I do have a little bit less than a few weeks on this contract. And then we have more sends, Nokia leap calls. So this one, I didn't receive a premium. I actually paid for the premium. Palantir leap calls. So we have AMC. AMC is up 10% today. Who bought the dip yesterday? I didn't. But I have 200 shares at this account, 800 in my other account. It is up 24%. And this one, I have leap calls. And these leap calls I bought in December before the whole AMC blew up. So by the time everyone's really talking about it, the call options are very expensive. So you kind of want to be on the option seller side, collect that premium, and possibly get the stock at a discounted price. And who doesn't want AMC at a discount? Next, we have Nikola Vaxart, Sundial. It's down, but it'll recover. The market has been very fragile. Social. Another stock that I bought today is Funware. I did a video on the top 3 penny stocks. Funware was on one of them. Decided to start a small position today. 500 shares, 181 average cost. They do have earnings after hours. And then Luokung, I bought more Luokung this morning. Market buy. It was 114, 400 shares. So not too bad since the stock is at 127. Bring my average cost to 135. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you got this far, let me know if you have any of these stocks, and do consider joining the Patreon Discord page. I share these alerts with my members, and we're just trying to find more people to come join us, collaborate, and possibly find the next hottest stock. I am just trying to find people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, and options, and just growing as a community and growing our accounts together. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much. Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Weibo if you haven't already. They are currently offering